So, there we have it. My first print with the Eufymake E1. Now, this isn't a 3D print, it's just a 2D print, but I think it came out looking beautifully. Yeah, this is really nice. The print quality, I don't know if you can really see on the screen here. I think it looks great. It's a really nice picture anyway, and it looks pretty good on the fridge magnet. So here we are printing on wood. It looks like the uneven surface here caused a few bits not to print correctly on that one. But this black and white looks pretty good. There's some, again, it's not a very even surface, so some of the details look to have been smudged on that. And we have some text down here, one of my favorite John Muir quotes. And you can see there's definitely some smudging there, and I think this is all down to the fact that the surfaces here are not even. So, yeah. Overall, though, I'm pretty happy with it. It's a pretty good experiment, I think. So I actually wasn't that happy with that first top panel I printed. And this next one I did actually came out really, really nicely. Got a mountain ridge, the John Muir quote. And I am using this one of Mountaineer, despite the fact that it's slightly smudged. I still actually really like the way it looks. And for the other side, I printed this photo of Mount St. Helens right there, along with another John Muir quote. So I think this is going to look really nice. You're going to got the two sides and then the top of the shelving unit, and next I'm going to have to very carefully put the whole thing together so I don't completely ruin it. So that's what I'm going to go do next. I've got all the boards ready to go. I just have to hope that it turns out all right. Anyway, let's go do that. So there it is. That's looking pretty good. And it's not perfect. I mean, it's kind of cludged together a little bit. The back looks a little bit rough. But from the sides and the front, and of course, top down, it's looking pretty good. Some of the wood did split on this side when I was putting it together, so that's not so great. So it's not perfect by any means, but I really like the way what the prints did for this. I actually think it looks really, really nice, and I'm pretty proud that I made that. So, yeah, it's a pretty cool project to do with the Eufymake E1. It's an interesting tool you wouldn't usually associate with woodworking. So I liked how those prints came out so much, I decided to make some more of these. Sanded some more boards and printed some more mountain photos with some lovely quotes on them. And I really like how this is working here. I'm really liking these results. These are beautiful, and the Eufymake E1 is fantastic for printing on wood. I will say, though, this isn't exactly an even surface here. This one had some termite damage to the wood, but you know what? I kind of like it. I kind of like how each one is very different, using this very rough, kind of low quality old wood yields some pretty interesting results. So the Eufymake E1 here has produced a ton of great prints over the past 1 month for me. I've done a lot of different experiments with it, some of which I filmed, some of which I haven't, and this had some really cool results. Only had one really major error, and that is in this really pretty middle print here. Had a line running through it there where the print head just screwed up, and I think it's because the print head was clogged. I never had an issue after I did a cleaning. So I'm just going to chalk that up to a clogged print head. But in any case, you've seen all the really cool things I've made with this so far. And I'm very, very impressed with its performance overall. It is an incredible creative tool, and there are so many cool things that you could do with it that I haven't even tried yet. There is just a lot of room for creativity with the Eufymake E1. It's very, very cool. And yeah, it's neat to see the price of UV printers come down to a point where it's pretty much within the grasp of normal people. So anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see y'all again next time. Bye!